The hydraulic fluid reservoirs for the dressing system hydraulics are located inside the rear cabinet. The hydraulic fluid levels should be checked weekly. The hydraulic lines are clear in color. If any of the fluid levels are below the full line, disconnect the air line from the HG3 Hollow Grinder or shut off the air cutoff valve. Remove the hex head plug on top of the appropriate reservoir and fill to the full mark with hydraulic fluid. Do not overfill the fluid levels. Replace the hex head plugs that were removed for filling. Reconnect the air line or turn on the air cutoff valve.